There you go. There you go. He look like he ready for a sticker. You on my YouTube channel? There you go. Mira. Okay. Yeah. Left lane for the win. G2K, what's up with it, man? I was gonna go and watch your live this morning. Cold Walls woke me up. Yeah, dude, freaking Demonology and freaking G2K, they're online. They're live right now, early this morning, dude. You should wake up, man. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey, check this out, though.
What's up with it?
Big trucks, though. Big old business. You know, Oak Cliff business. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, look at y'all. Yeah, here you go. Mira. Here you go. Look out racing. Yeah. Yeah, look out. Hey.
Hey, look how you do weddings, special?
Yeah, I do weddings too, man. I come. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna do weddings and everything. Y'all need somebody to come at y'all wedding? I'll come up there and talk. Record it and talk. Yeah. Hey. What? Let me see if she on there. She already turning. Mira. Hey, y'all on my channel. Look, that's my YouTube channel right here. Okay, it's going down. Oak Cliff, y'all, Oak Cliff, y'all. Little Oak Cliffian. Okay. Hey, look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Hey, look, this is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. It's going down. You can tell y'all people. Y'all want to put y'all shout out in or something? No, not this week. Okay. Yeah. Hey, look out, man. That's my YouTube channel. You be on YouTube? Yeah, you on there now? Look out, what's up with it? Damn, she got that sticker right there, y'all. She ain't bullshit. Look out. You gonna make a full pass, ain't you? I'm going for you. What car you racing? Yeah? Okay, let me see. I don't know, I think that's that lady I talked to in Spanish. Hey, you ready, man? You on my channel, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. I had bung you a sticker. You need a sticker? You rocking new stickers or you already set? Let me see what you work. Oh, okay, you got 3 already on there. That's enough for you. Let me see, Texas this. You finna win or what? Who you racing against? Behind you. Oh, he back there kissing. Oh, he back there kissing. Look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Y'all can delay through Theo, everybody, man. We trying to get the word out there. Appreciate it. Hey, back there. My bad. Hey, you on my channel? Sígame a mi canal. Hey, y'all on there? Got a little line up there. Got a little line up there, y'all. It's fine. Oh shit, I ain't seen him. Damn.
Yo,
He did that shit.
common courtesy not to do a burnout when there's somebody on.
Damn, and he got juice.
So
Damn, he
don't
must
do
got a
that.
bad motherfucker, man. This yours? You on my YouTube channel? Damn.
Go on back in
I ain't think you what say. He got juice and turbo. Yeah, they say he dangerous. Yep. This dude dangerous, man. Got all that shit on her. It look good too. Y'all see it? Ooh wee. Boy, he for real. I'm ready to see this thing run. Yeah, we betting on the gap, man. We don't put a call on you or more, don't even gotta pay us. We don't even want the money, just keep going. Yeah.
So you telling me gonna be fake?
Yeah, it's gonna be a space like this right here.
I'm finna go down there.
Yeah, we're gonna be at the finish line, man.
These two Camaros right here.
These two right here,
That blue and that red. Or that seafoam's red.
they saying it's gonna be a gap.
He just went 7th Street.
I don't think there'll be no gap, man. I'm scared. I'm riding with Shane. Whatever Shane say. Okay. Hey, yeah. Got a line trying to get into the tray. I done went to the front from the back. I done bet money. I done bet me a stack. People hear my freestyle. They said it away. Got the Ford truck in the front. And they got the motherfucker turbo in back. Coming through, look, got speaking nothing but fact. Got the weird wheel 1710 on the back. Oh, hey, I think I see a bead lie. Ooh, this shit costs a lot. See Ramos with the 5-0. Got the sticker from the fucking corner store. On 3, Gen 3. Little small block, little small block with a tune on it. Little small block with a tune. Tune. Stock rods and pistons and everything. Let me see what's going on over here. Look at this, my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing.